Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Thursday, as we've yet to get any full 4-hour candles above 58,300. And over the last 48 hours, we have tested levels above 58,300. So we're still inside of this range, but it looks like at some point or another, Bitcoin is going to make a decision. And so I want to be as clear as possible. At this point, if we get back above 58,300, hourly and 4-hour candles are what we're looking for, fully closed above this level, to assume this is going to be the low before we see further highs for Bitcoin and possibly consolidate. And we can even test the $70,000 level as a resistance and stay inside of our consolidation zone. But if we start to see price action below 55,600 now, which is the short-term support, we have to also realize what the potential downside scenario could be, because we are still inside of this range with a support of 49,700. And if we get below this short-term support of 55,600, the likelihood that we can come down and test 49,700 is quite high. And so this has garnered a lot of opportunities with altcoins, and with the Ethereum chart that we've been monitoring here over the last 2 weeks, breaking out from this extremely bullish symmetrical triangle on the Ethereum to Bitcoin pairing. This has allowed Ethereum to come close to its previous all-time highs and retest them around that $4,700 level, despite Bitcoin getting close to its previous all-time high. And notice how we may come down here to test this as a support, but right now the print's extremely bullish for Ethereum. So with Bitcoin getting above 58,300, we could definitely see price discovery continue for Ethereum and new all-time highs. But if we start to see that $55,600 level break, we want to monitor the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart again. Notice how the level of support right now for Ethereum is at 43.73, which is the previous all-time high. And we've already got full daily candles above this level. And so as long as we maintain the US dollar pairing above 43.73 and the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart's bullish, we could assume Ethereum is the more bullish asset right now. And if we look at the dominance of altcoins outside of Ethereum, notice how we've yet to even see a breakout here. We are still camping out here below the 100-day moving average. But if we see continuation with Ethereum to Bitcoin to the upside, we can possibly assume this will also see a continuation to the upside, and that will factor in altcoins outside of Ethereum. For those inside of our Discord group, you know we took advantage of Cardano when it was below $1.50 at $1.49 on the 28th of November. We sent out this trade signal. We have the #1 cryptocurrency trade signals in the world. That's already hit $1.75 with 15% plus profits. Anay says, hey guys, what's new about tokens? What's good to get now? Seems like a lot of people are excited about altcoins. So I think that Ethereum and Bitcoin chart moving into the upside could be a hint that we're going to see the altcoins outside of Ethereum also move to the upside. And then to wrap up here with the DXY, notice how we are maintaining this extremely important support at 95.885, and that is causing traditional markets to start slipping. Look at the S&P 500 coming down to test price below the 50-day moving average. So far we're back above it, but it's obviously having an effect here. So it's really important now with Bitcoin inside of this extremely tight range here at 58,300, 55,600 to make a decision soon. And if we see 55,600 break, we have to assume some further downside targets, but 58,300 is the checkpoint the bulls have to conquer. As you guys know, over the last 2 weeks, we've been looking at that $58,300 level, and the gold to Bitcoin chart is showing some signs of life here. It is testing this 50-day moving average again. It almost looks like it just wants to push above it. Gold to Bitcoin chart does move above this 50-day moving average. That is going to be some food for thought here about the amount of fuel Bitcoin has left. We know the last time that happened on April 14th, it was a short-term top at 64,000. So we'll continue to monitor this, but nothing crazy just yet. It's just touching the 50-day moving average, but no decisiveness. I appreciate each and every one of you snipers tuned into the channel. Let's hit 100 likes on this YouTube video. I know we hit it on our last video, so we can do it again. And until next time, snipers